Ladies and gentlemen, in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it can be easy to lose track of the most important person in our lives, ourselves. Often we prioritize work, relationships, and responsibilities over self-care, thinking that we will have time to improve later. But the truth is, the only time that truly matters is the present. Taking the time to focus on your own growth, well-being, and happiness is not a luxury, it is a necessity. It is only when we invest time in becoming better versions of ourselves that we can truly contribute to the world around us. Personal growth doesn't happen by accident. It requires intentional effort, consistency, and a willingness to step out of our comfort zones. It's not about being perfect or having it all together, but about embracing the process of becoming better, one step at a time. Personal growth is not something that happens overnight. It requires time, dedication, and consistent effort. Far too often, we expect change to happen quickly, but the reality is that growth is a gradual process. Each step, no matter how small, is an important part of the journey. It's easy to get discouraged when we don't see immediate results, but the key is persistence. When you choose to invest your time in bettering yourself, you are building a foundation for long-term success. The effort you put into improving yourself today might not show visible results right away, but rest assured, it is making a difference. Over time, those small steps will compound, and you will begin to see significant changes in how you think, how you act, and how you approach challenges. But this requires patience. It's important to remember that every successful person has gone through the same process. They didn't get to where they are by waiting for success to come to them. They worked for it day after day, putting in the effort even when it was hard or when progress seemed slow. Take a moment to think about the areas of your life where you want to grow. It might be in your career, your relationships, or even your health. Whatever it is, know that it will require time and consistent action to make real progress. Success is not something that is handed to us. It is earned through hard work and dedication. If you want to get better at something, whether it's learning a new skill or developing a positive habit, you must put in the time and effort to practice. But personal growth isn't just about actions and achievements, it's also about the mindset you cultivate along the way. Growth requires self-reflection, honesty, and a willingness to change. It's not enough to go through the motions, you must be intentional in your actions. Ask yourself, what can I do today to improve? What can I learn from my mistakes? These questions guide your efforts and help you stay on track. Growth also involves pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. Often the things that scare us or make us uncomfortable are the very things that will help us grow the most. It's easy to stick with what you know, but true growth happens when you step into the unknown and face new challenges. The fear you feel is simply a signal that you are on the right path. Every time you challenge yourself to do something new or difficult, you are strengthening your ability to grow. If you want to make progress, start by investing time in yourself. Commit to setting aside time each day to work on your goals, whether it's learning something new, improving your health, or developing a better mindset. It may feel difficult at first, but over time, you will see the results of your efforts. Remember, growth is a journey, not a destination. By dedicating time and effort today, you are setting yourself up for a better tomorrow. Improvement is not about perfection, but embracing progress. Too often we get caught up in the idea that growth requires perfection, that every step we take must be flawless. We set unrealistic standards for ourselves, thinking that if we cannot achieve perfection, we are somehow failing. But the truth is, perfection is an illusion. No one is perfect, and perfection itself can be a barrier to growth. Instead of striving for an unattainable standard, we should focus on progress. Progress is about taking steps forward, no matter how small they may seem. It's about moving in the right direction, learning from mistakes, and becoming a better version of ourselves every day. When we focus too much on perfection, we tend to get stuck. We become paralyzed by the fear of making mistakes, and this fear holds us back from trying new things or stepping out of our comfort zones. We may put off important actions because we believe we are not ready or not good enough. But in reality, waiting for perfection will only delay our growth. Progress happens when we embrace the idea that mistakes are not failures but opportunities to learn. Every mistake is a chance to improve, to adjust, and to do things differently the next time. Think about how children learn. They don't expect themselves to be perfect at everything they try. They fall, they stumble, they make mistakes, but they don't stop trying. They understand that learning is a process, and each step, whether successful or not, takes them closer to mastering a skill. We should adopt this same mindset. Growth happens when we take action, even if that action is not perfect. Every effort, no matter how imperfect, is a step in the right direction. Perfection can also lead to self-criticism. When we hold ourselves to impossibly high standards, we set ourselves up for disappointment. Instead of celebrating the progress we've made, we focus on what we haven't yet accomplished. This mindset prevents us from appreciating the effort we've put in and the improvements we've already made. We become so focused on the end goal that we forget to acknowledge the small victories along the way. It's important to recognize that progress is not just about the destination, but about the journey. Each step forward, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. When we acknowledge our progress, we build momentum that propels us forward. Furthermore, striving for perfection can lead to burnout. When we constantly chase after perfection, we often overwork ourselves and put unnecessary pressure on our shoulders. We start to believe that if we are not achieving something at the highest level, we are not good enough. This mindset can lead to stress, anxiety, and ultimately burnout. The key to avoiding this is to shift our focus from perfection to progress. Instead of trying to be perfect, aim to be better than you were yesterday. Small, consistent improvements will lead to big results over time, and those improvements will feel more rewarding because they are achieved without the pressure of perfection. The fear of imperfection also keeps us from taking risks. We hesitate to try new things because we fear making mistakes. But risk is an essential part of growth. Trying something new or challenging ourselves in unfamiliar territory is the best way to expand our potential. If we only do what we are already good at, we miss out on the chance to grow in new directions. The fear of imperfection might hold us back, but the excitement of progress should push us forward. Progress is about stepping into the unknown, trying new things, and accepting that we may not get it perfect on the first try, but that's okay. The key is to keep going, keep learning, and keep improving. When we embrace progress over perfection, we free ourselves from the pressure of comparison. In today's world, it's easy to compare ourselves to others. Social media, work environments, and even personal relationships can make us feel like we are not measuring up. But comparison only hinders our growth. Everyone's journey is different, and what may look like perfection on the outside is often far from it. When we focus on our own progress, we stop worrying about how we measure up to others. Instead, we focus on our own growth, which is the only thing that truly matters. When we embrace progress, we stop chasing perfection and start embracing the beauty of the journey, knowing that every step forward counts, no matter how small. Consistent daily efforts lead to long-lasting change. In a world that values instant gratification, it's easy to fall into the trap of expecting results to come quickly. We are constantly bombarded with advertisements, success stories, and social media posts that seem to highlight rapid transformations, quick fixes, and overnight success. However, the reality is that true growth and meaningful change come from steady, consistent effort over time. It's the small actions we take daily, no matter how insignificant they may seem in the moment, that lead to significant long-term results. Consistency is key when it comes to personal growth. Many people start with enthusiasm, eager to change their habits, improve their skills, or achieve their goals. They may experience an initial burst of motivation and work hard toward their objectives. However, when they do not see immediate results, they become frustrated and lose momentum. The truth is, real change takes time. It's not about working hard for a short period and then giving up when you don't see instant success. It's about committing to the process and showing up each day, no matter how difficult it may feel or how little progress you perceive. One of the main reasons consistent effort leads to lasting change is that it creates new habits. Habits are the foundation of our daily lives. They are the automatic actions we take without thinking, whether it's brushing our teeth, getting dressed, or checking our phone. In the same way, the habits we form around personal growth shape who we become. If we make the effort to show up every day, even if it's just for a few minutes, we are training our minds and bodies to create positive habits that will eventually become second nature. It's the consistency of these actions that slowly compounds, resulting in profound change over time. Think about fitness as an example. Many people start a workout routine with excitement and determination. They may work out intensely for a few days, expecting to see immediate changes in their body. But when the results don't come quickly, they may lose interest or quit altogether. The key to long-term fitness is not in intense spurts of activity, but in showing up every day, whether that means working out for 15 minutes or an hour. Over time, these consistent efforts add up. The body doesn't change overnight, but with consistent exercise, the results are undeniable. The same principle applies to every area of life, whether it's learning a new skill, working toward a career goal, or improving your mental health. The progress you make is a direct result of the small, consistent efforts you put in each day. Another benefit of consistency is that it helps build resilience. When you commit to something and show up every day, even when it's difficult, you are developing the mental strength to keep going despite challenges. Life is unpredictable, and there will always be obstacles in our path. But by practicing consistency, we develop the ability to stay focused and continue moving forward, even when things aren't going as planned. This resilience allows us to overcome setbacks and keep pushing toward our goals, knowing that every day we show up is another step closer to success. Consistency helps to eliminate the distractions that often hinder our progress. In a world filled with constant interruptions and temptations, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose focus. However, when you make the commitment to put in consistent effort, you are creating a structure for yourself that allows you to block out distractions and stay focused on what matters. This focused effort allows you to make real progress, even when life feels overwhelming or chaotic. Consistency also provides a sense of accomplishment. Each time you show up and put in the effort, you are making progress. Even on the days when it feels like you aren't achieving anything significant, you are still moving forward. Over time, you will be able to look back and see how far you've come. These small, consistent actions accumulate into tangible results, providing you with a sense of pride and fulfillment. It's important to celebrate these moments of progress, no matter how small they may seem, because they are a testament to your dedication and commitment. At the core, the secret to lasting change lies in the daily habits we form and the consistent actions we take. While it may feel frustrating at times when results are not immediately visible, know that your efforts are adding up. The road to success is not a straight line, but a series of small steps taken consistently that ultimately lead to profound transformation. Keep showing up, keep putting in the effort, and trust that your commitment to daily progress will pay off in the long run. The consistency you practice today will be the foundation of your success tomorrow. Investing in yourself positively impacts those around you. Often we get so caught up in the demands of daily life that we forget the importance of self-care and personal growth. We think that by focusing on others and taking care of our responsibilities, we are doing the right thing. While looking out for others is important, it is equally vital to take time to invest in our own growth, well-being, and development. When we invest in ourselves, we are not being selfish. We are preparing ourselves to better serve those around us, whether they are family, friends, co-workers, or communities. The energy, positivity, and strength we bring to others depend on the investment we make in ourselves. One of the most significant impacts of investing in yourself is that it boosts your confidence and self-esteem. When you take the time to develop your skills, pursue your passions, and improve your physical and mental health, you begin to believe in your abilities. This self-assurance is contagious. When you show up as your best self, you set an example for others to do the same. Your confidence becomes a source of inspiration for those around you, encouraging them to invest in their own growth as well. People are naturally drawn to individuals who radiate confidence and positivity, and this energy can create a ripple effect, positively impacting your relationships, your work, and your community. Additionally, investing in yourself helps you develop resilience. Life is unpredictable, and challenges are a natural part of our journey. However, when we take the time to nurture our mental, emotional, and physical health, we become better equipped to handle life's inevitable ups and downs. Resilience doesn't come from avoiding hardships, but from building the inner strength to cope with and overcome them. When you invest in your well-being, whether it's through exercise, mindfulness, learning, or taking time for rest, you build the mental fortitude needed to face challenges head-on. This resilience not only benefits you, but also those around you. When people see you navigating difficulties with grace and strength, they feel encouraged to do the same. Investing in yourself also improves your relationships. Whether it's with family, friends, or colleagues, your relationships are more fulfilling when you are at your best. When you focus on your personal growth, you become more patient, understanding, and compassionate. You are able to give more because you have more to give. A person who is focused on their growth is often more present and attentive in their relationships. They have the energy and mindset needed to listen actively, offer support, and show empathy. These qualities strengthen connections and foster an environment of mutual respect and understanding. Relationships thrive when both individuals invest in their own growth and well-being, and it's impossible to pour from an empty cup. By investing in yourself, you fill your own cup, allowing you to share your positive energy with others. Investing in yourself can help you be more effective in your professional life. Whether it's gaining new skills, enhancing your knowledge, or expanding your network, personal growth opens up new opportunities. When you commit to learning and improving, you become more valuable in your workplace and industry. This can lead to new job opportunities, promotions, or collaborations, which not only benefit you, but also those you work with. When you show up as a person who is committed to growth, you inspire your colleagues to do the same, creating a culture of continuous improvement. Your dedication to self-improvement sets a standard for others, raising the bar for the entire team or organization. When you focus on improving your own life, you become a better role model for others, especially for younger generations. Whether you have children, younger siblings, or are part of a mentoring group, your actions speak louder than words. When they see you taking steps to improve yourself, whether it's reading, exercising, managing your emotions, or pursuing your dreams, they are inspired to do the same. They learn that growth is a lifelong journey and that it is possible to overcome challenges, learn new things, and continuously improve. By investing in yourself, you not only improve your own life but also contribute to the growth of others. The positive impact of investing in yourself also extends to your community. When you take the time to develop your skills, knowledge, and emotional well-being, you become a more capable and compassionate member of society. Whether it's volunteering, participating in community events, or simply offering your time and expertise, your personal growth enables you to give back in meaningful ways. When you invest in yourself, you increase your ability to contribute to the greater good. You become someone who can make a positive difference in your community, whether through direct action or by inspiring others to join in. The more you invest in yourself, the more you realize that you are worthy of that investment. It's easy to put others first, thinking that it's selfish to focus on your own needs and desires. But in reality, when you invest in yourself, you are acknowledging that you are deserving of love, growth, and success. This belief in your own worth ripples out, influencing how others see you and how you engage with the world. The energy you put into yourself is reflected back in the energy others give you. When you show that you value yourself, you set the tone for how others treat you, and in doing so you create a cycle of positivity and growth that impacts everyone around you. Self-improvement is a commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. The journey toward personal growth is not a one-time decision. It's an ongoing commitment to becoming better every day. Many people set out to improve themselves with good intentions, but the key to success lies in the consistency of this commitment. It's not just about making occasional efforts or waiting for a moment of inspiration to strike. It's about actively choosing every day to invest in yourself, even when the path gets tough or when results aren't immediately visible. This is the essence of self-improvement, the willingness to show up for yourself day after day, no matter the challenges. The first step in this commitment is the decision to take control of your own growth. It's easy to blame external factors, your circumstances, other people, or the environment, for why you are not where you want to be. But true self-improvement begins when you accept full responsibility for your own life. When you stop waiting for things to change outside of you and start working on changing within, you unlock your full potential. This shift in mindset is crucial because it places the power back in your hands. You are no longer at the mercy of external forces. You become the architect of your own future. This mindset allows you to take action, regardless of the obstacles you might face along the way. However, commitment to self-improvement doesn't always mean big, dramatic changes. In fact, it's often the small, everyday choices that lead to the greatest transformation over time. Self-improvement is about consistently making small, positive decisions that align with your values and goals. Whether it's waking up a little earlier to make time for reading, taking a few minutes every day to meditate, or dedicating time to improving a skill, these small actions compound over time to create massive results. They might seem insignificant in the moment, but it's the cumulative effect of these habits that leads to lasting change. Every time you choose to do something that makes you better, you are reinforcing your commitment to personal growth. One of the most important aspects of self-improvement is perseverance. It's easy to feel motivated at the start of a new project or goal, but maintaining that drive over the long term is where many people fall short. The path to becoming the best version of yourself is rarely linear. There will be setbacks, challenges, and times when you feel like giving up. But it's during these difficult moments that your commitment to self-improvement is truly tested. It's easy to stay committed when things are going well, but the true growth happens when you keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. Perseverance is what separates those who make real, lasting progress from those who give up too soon. It's about having the resilience to bounce back after failure and the determination to keep going despite the obstacles in your way. Another important element of this commitment is self-reflection. Personal growth requires an honest evaluation of where you are, what you're doing, and why you're doing it. This means being willing to confront your weaknesses, acknowledge your mistakes, and be open to change. Self-reflection is not about being harsh on yourself, but about being real with yourself. It's about understanding that growth requires honesty and self-awareness. When you take the time to reflect on your actions and experiences, you gain insight into your behavior, your thought patterns, and your motivations. This awareness helps you identify areas where you can improve and gives you the clarity to make better decisions moving forward. Commitment to self-improvement also involves the courage to step out of your comfort zone. Growth doesn't happen when you stay in familiar territory. It happens when you challenge yourself to try new things, take risks, and face fears. It's easy to stick with what's comfortable, but if you want to improve, you need to embrace discomfort. Stepping outside of your comfort zone allows you to grow in ways you never thought possible. It forces you to expand your limits, learn new skills, and gain new perspectives. Each time you face something that scares you or pushes you to grow, you build your confidence and increase your capacity for growth. The commitment to becoming the best version of yourself also means prioritizing your well-being. Personal growth is not just about achieving external success. It's about creating a life that is balanced and fulfilling. You can't pour from an empty cup, so it's important to take care of your physical, mental, and emotional health. This means making time for rest, setting boundaries, and engaging in activities that nourish your soul. When you take care of yourself, you are better equipped to handle life's challenges and to support those around you. A balanced life is essential for sustained growth, as it provides the energy and foundation necessary to continue improving. Self-improvement requires patience. It's easy to get discouraged when things don't change as quickly as you would like, but it's important to remember that growth is a process, not an event. It takes time to develop new habits, shift your mindset, and make lasting changes. Be patient with yourself and trust that the effort you put in today will pay off in the long run. When you commit to becoming the best version of yourself, you are investing in a lifelong journey. The results may not always be immediate, but over time your dedication will lead to meaningful transformation. Self-improvement is a commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. It requires perseverance, self-reflection, courage, and patience. It's about making small, consistent efforts each day to grow, learn, and become better. It's not about perfection, but progress. When you commit to this journey, you are not just improving yourself, you are creating a ripple effect that impacts everyone around you. Your growth inspires others to grow, and together you can build a better future. Setbacks and challenges are part of the growth process. Life is not a smooth, predictable journey. There will always be bumps in the road, unexpected detours, and obstacles that seem insurmountable. It is easy to feel discouraged when things do not go according to plan, but these setbacks are not signs of failure. They are simply part of the process of growth. In fact, setbacks and challenges often play a crucial role in shaping us into stronger, wiser, and more resilient individuals. It's how we respond to these challenges that determines our progress and success. The first thing to understand is that setbacks are natural. No one's journey is without difficulty. We all face setbacks, whether it's a failed project, an opportunity lost, a personal challenge, or a moment of doubt. What matters most is not the setback itself, but how we react to it. When faced with adversity, it can be tempting to give up, to throw in the towel and walk away. However, if we view setbacks as an inevitable part of the process, we can shift our mindset and embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. It is through these difficult moments that we are often forced to re-evaluate our approach, refine our strategies, and develop new skills. In fact, some of the greatest lessons come from failure and challenge. When we face a setback, we are presented with a unique opportunity for growth. It forces us to step back, reassess the situation, and think critically about what went wrong and how we can improve moving forward. It may not always feel like it in the moment, but setbacks are teachers in disguise. They reveal our weaknesses, our blind spots, and areas where we need to develop. This awareness can be the catalyst for real change. When we learn from our setbacks, we come out the other side stronger, wiser, and better prepared to face future challenges. Another important aspect of setbacks is resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back after adversity, and it is a skill that is built over time. The more we face setbacks and challenges, the stronger our resilience becomes. It's like building muscle. At first, it's difficult and we might not see immediate results. But with every challenge we face and every obstacle we overcome, we become more capable of handling whatever life throws our way. Resilience is about developing the strength to keep going even when things are tough. It's about having the determination to rise up after falling, the ability to stay focused on the bigger picture, and the courage to continue moving forward. Setbacks also teach us patience. When we encounter difficulties, it's easy to become frustrated and impatient, especially when we feel like we've put in the effort but haven't seen the results we hoped for. However, the process of growth often takes time. It's important to remember that change doesn't happen overnight, and setbacks are part of that natural timeline. Learning to be patient with ourselves, with the process, and with the inevitable ups and downs of life is a crucial lesson. Patience allows us to keep going when the going gets tough, to trust that progress is happening even when we can't see it right away, and to stay committed to the long-term vision, no matter how challenging the journey may seem. Setbacks often help us develop a greater sense of empathy and understanding. When we experience challenges ourselves, we become more compassionate toward others who are going through similar struggles. We understand that everyone faces their own battles, and we are better able to offer support, encouragement, and advice to those who need it. This empathy helps strengthen our relationships and creates a sense of community. By facing our own setbacks, we become more attuned to the struggles of others, and in turn, we build deeper, more meaningful connections. One of the key elements of overcoming setbacks is the ability to stay focused on the long-term goal. When we are in the midst of a challenge, it's easy to get caught up in the frustration of the moment and lose sight of the bigger picture. However, it's important to remind ourselves that setbacks are temporary. They may be difficult to navigate, but they do not define us or our future. By keeping our eyes on the end goal, we can push through the tough moments, knowing that each setback is just a small part of a much larger journey. With this perspective, setbacks no longer feel like insurmountable obstacles, but like stepping stones on the path to success. It is important to remember that setbacks do not define our worth. Just because we encounter difficulties or experience failure does not mean we are failures ourselves. Each setback is simply a moment in time, a chapter in our story. It's what we do after the setback that truly matters. Our worth is not determined by our mistakes or challenges, but by our ability to rise above them, to keep going, and to keep striving to be the best version of ourselves. Setbacks are not the end, they are just part of the process of becoming who we are meant to be. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. We often hear about the importance of investing in stocks, real estate, or business ventures, but the truth is that the most valuable asset you will ever have is yourself. Yet too often, We overlook the power of investing in our own personal growth, development, and well-being. The reality is that everything we do, every decision we make, and every opportunity we have stems from who we are and how we are prepared to show up in the world. When you invest in yourself, you create a foundation that not only improves your own life, but also benefits the lives of those around you. Investing in yourself begins with understanding your own worth. Many people struggle with self-doubt and undervalue their potential, but true success begins when you recognize that you are worthy of the time, effort, and resources that self-investment requires. This recognition does not mean arrogance or selfishness. It means acknowledging that your growth, happiness, and well-being are essential. When you invest in yourself, you are taking the time to nurture and develop your abilities, your mindset, and your overall health. You are essentially putting yourself in a position to thrive, which will enable you to give more to others in the long run. Investing in yourself can take many forms, and it doesn't always have to involve a significant financial commitment. It can be as simple as dedicating time each day to develop new skills, whether through reading, taking an online course, or learning something you've always been passionate about. Personal development can also mean taking time to nurture your physical health through exercise, eating well, and getting enough rest. Mental and emotional health is another area where investment is crucial. Taking the time to practice mindfulness, meditate, or seek therapy when necessary allows you to process your emotions and reduce stress. These activities all contribute to building a stronger, healthier, and more resilient you, one that is better equipped to handle life's challenges and pursue its opportunities. Moreover, when you invest in yourself, you create the opportunity for new possibilities. The more you learn, grow, and develop, the more capable you become of taking on new challenges and opening new doors. Whether it's advancing in your career, building meaningful relationships, or pursuing personal goals, the skills and knowledge you acquire by investing in yourself directly enhance your ability to succeed. The greater your skills and abilities, the more you can offer to the world, whether in your professional endeavors or in your interactions with others. This is how you begin to build the life you want, one step at a time, through consistent self-investment. The impact of investing in yourself is far-reaching. Not only does it elevate your own life, but it also positively impacts those around you. When you invest in your own growth, you become a better version of yourself. You show up more fully in your relationships, in your work, and in your community. Your self-confidence increases, your emotional intelligence expands, and you become more capable of supporting others. When you make the effort to improve yourself, you become a role model for others to follow. Your progress and transformation serve as an inspiration to those who see your efforts and growth, creating a ripple effect that spreads to everyone in your life. As you improve, so does the energy and environment around you. Another important aspect of investing in yourself is the creation of a mindset that embraces growth. Personal development isn't just about acquiring new skills, it's also about adopting a mindset that values learning and improvement. When you invest in yourself, you shift your perspective to one that views challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. This growth-oriented mindset helps you stay open to learning and adapting in the face of setbacks, making it easier to bounce back from failure. When you approach life with the belief that you can always grow and improve, you remain motivated and focused on your goals, even when things don't go as planned. The journey of investing in yourself requires commitment, patience, and consistency. Unlike other investments that may yield quick returns, the investment in yourself takes time. There are no shortcuts or instant results. The process of self-growth and improvement is gradual, but the benefits are immense. Over time, the small, consistent efforts you put into developing yourself will pay off. Your skill set will expand, your confidence will grow, and you'll find yourself in positions you once thought were out of reach. The key is to stay committed to the process, trusting that the investment you make today will pay dividends tomorrow. Investing in yourself also creates a sense of empowerment. When you take charge of your own growth, you become the architect of your own destiny. You stop waiting for external circumstances to change and instead take proactive steps toward your goals. You understand that the future you want is within your control, and you have the power to create it through the choices you make today. This empowerment is incredibly freeing, as it allows you to live with purpose and intention, knowing that you are the one responsible for shaping your future. Ultimately, the most important investment you can make is in yourself, because it is the investment that yields the highest returns. The more you invest in your own growth, the more you have to offer to the world. By developing yourself, you increase your ability to succeed, to contribute, and to make a positive impact on those around you. The more you invest in becoming the best version of yourself, the more you build a life that is fulfilling, rewarding, and meaningful. The best part is that this investment is always within your control, and it starts with a simple commitment to put yourself first and make the most of your potential. The only time that truly matters is the present. We often find ourselves caught up in the past or worrying about the future, but in doing so, we overlook the power of the present moment. We dwell on mistakes we made yesterday or become anxious about what may or may not happen tomorrow. While it's important to learn from the past and plan for the future, the reality is that we only have control over right now. The present is the only time we can act, make decisions, and shape our lives. When we focus too much on the past or future, we waste the valuable opportunity that the present offers. We are often taught to look ahead and think about what's next. Society constantly pushes us to strive for the next goal, the next promotion, the next milestone. While having goals and aspirations is important, we must also remember to enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Life is happening now, and every moment is an opportunity for growth. When we spend too much time looking ahead, we miss the small, meaningful moments that are shaping us every day. By being fully present in the moment, we become more attuned to the world around us, our emotions, and our needs. This awareness is key to personal growth because it allows us to respond thoughtfully to our circumstances, rather than reacting impulsively based on past experiences or future worries. Living in the present also means letting go of regrets about the past. We all have moments in our lives that we wish we could change or actions we regret. These regrets can weigh heavily on us, holding us back from moving forward. But the reality is that the past is gone, and no amount of dwelling on it will change anything. The more we hold on to past mistakes, the more we allow them to define our present and future. Instead of letting regret control us, we must focus on what we can do now. The present offers a fresh start, a new opportunity to make different choices, and learn from the past without being bound by it. The same goes for the future. We often find ourselves worrying about what might happen. We wonder if we will succeed, if we are making the right choices, or if we are heading in the right direction. This fear of the unknown can paralyze us, preventing us from taking action. But the truth is, the future is uncertain, and no amount of worrying will change what is to come. What matters most is how we use the present to prepare for the future. The decisions we make now shape the path ahead. If we spend our time focusing on the what-ifs of the future, we miss the chance to take meaningful action today. It's important to trust that by taking the right steps in the present, we will be better equipped to face whatever the future holds. Being present also allows us to be more mindful of our mental and emotional health. So often we get caught up in our busy lives, distracted by our to-do lists, work deadlines, and social obligations. We go through the motions without truly being aware of how we're feeling or what we need. But when we live in the present, we can check in with ourselves and recognize when we need a break, when we need to recharge, or when we need to refocus our priorities. This mindfulness helps us manage stress, reduce anxiety, and improve our overall well-being. By being present, we take better care of ourselves and make choices that align with our values and goals. Another powerful aspect of living in the present is that it allows us to fully experience and appreciate the simple moments in life. We often rush through our days without taking the time to notice the small joys around us. Whether it's a warm cup of coffee, a conversation with a loved one, or a moment of solitude, these small moments add up to a fulfilling life. When we focus on the present, we start to see and appreciate the beauty in our everyday experiences. It's in these moments that we find true happiness, not in some distant future or past achievements, but in the now. Living in the present doesn't mean we should abandon our goals or stop thinking about the future. It means being mindful of where we are right now, making the most of the time we have, and being intentional in our actions. By focusing on the present, we open ourselves up to the possibility of growth, learning, and self-improvement. The present is the only time that truly belongs to us. When we embrace it, we unlock the potential to create the life we desire.
I went away, 'cause I'm crazy like that. Who was that man? He can't come back. But then again, I got mad in my head. I left my best friend in the hospital bed. But now I know I got nothing to lose, and you can tell I got the dirt on my shoes. And I'ma go where nobody goes, and when I get there, I'll be going with the flow. And I say, hey, but nobody listened to me. And I say, hey, but nobody cared. They looked at me, but they weren't looking at me. They had something to say, but it was nothing to say. And I tried to scream, but I was in a dream. I was silent, and my hair turned gray. And I said, hey, but nobody listened to me. And I said, hey, but nobody cared. And I said, hey, but nobody listened to me.